That's why I say people are scattered. Every day they are quarreling, their BPs are going up. They are flying here. This person came here, the other person came here. Everybody is worried. We are not worried. Are we worried? But they are worried because of your trouble. We are in peace. You came and wake up from sleep. When you wake a tiger, a lion from sleep, don't you know what will happen? And that's why we also tell you to listen to us. We will tell you those you vote for. Do you understand me? Because I know, I will tell you who is who. But most of you don't know. There are those who want to come here to just want to be governor, but they have no agenda. And in any case, why would you change a winning team that has given you all this? Is there any need to change a winning team? No need. You don't know the one you go and bring now. You begin to run helter-skelter. So River State has done a lot of things for us. We owe River State a lot. Personally, I owe this state a lot for what they have done, giving me the opportunity. And I have not allowed this state to go astray, to run into the hands of armed robbers. I will not allow it. There are those who say they are from this state, but actually, when you look at it, they are not from this state. But they claim they are from this state. Maybe they were born there. Maybe they trace that their mother or their father had lived there for years. But how you identify who is from River State is one who loves this state. If anybody does not love the state, I said from River State, is not a Rivers person. Nobody that from this state that will hate his state. When I see people run helter-skelter to sell their state for a pot of porridge, I pity them. But everybody will give account of himself or herself. One day, you will give account of yourself. I will give account. And account I'm going to give River State. He gave me this opportunity. See what I've done. See what I've done. I've defended River State. I've challenged this country in so many things that have done so many things against the interests of this state. I will never sell this state for one kobo. I will never. No amount of money, no amount of position you will give me will make me to sell this state. I will not do that. It's not in my blood, and it will never be in my blood.
Sing na the man, we don't talk. If you don't get your report card, we don't go follow you.
So, people should not be too greedy in life. When God has blessed you with small things, be contented with it. There are those who do not have the opportunities you have had. But I tell politicians, I feel proud of myself. As French chairman of council, nobody who had worked with me to say, you work with me, you didn't build a house, something must be fundamentally wrong with you. I challenge anybody that you work with me from chairman of council to chief of staff to minister to governor. You cannot say so. Other people should also say, when you were in this position, tell me whom you have made from your area. Tell me. It's not only when you become a governor, no. Even the one you became, who and who did you make? Who and who did you make? Me, I can stay here and count. Even as I'm sitting here, I can count all of them. Without having the document here. I can. And that's what they call leadership. Not you. Some people had an opportunity. Somebody was accusing me the other day, whom I spoke with today through Sans and Jaja. He was accusing me, oh, I've given all my cronies land in OGRA, will I give my enemies? Have you? I can't understand. I should carry OGRA and go and give to my enemies. It's not my friends I will give to. Come and become governor now, then don't give your own supporters. In any way, there's no need again. I'm proud that I have a house in OGRA. Only me cannot live there. Other Rivers people should also live there, not outsiders. I'm proud to say that. I'm proud. There are some people, when they were in position, they couldn't even do it. It's only them. I beg, I'm going to tell them, make them sit down, I beg, we don't tire. Don't tire. There are people whose DNA is being greedy. Only them.